Let's combine tiger with lightning. Result, thunderpaw. Combining whale with iceberg. Result, ice whale. Let's see the hybrid of lion and sandstorm. It's sand mane. Let's see the gorilla plus lava hybrid. Result, lava fist. What if we combine the snake with lightning? Result, bolt serpent. Hybrid of tiger and lava. Result, lavager. Combining spider with shadows. Result, night weaver. Let's combine scorpion and sandstorm. Result, sand scourge. Let's see the hybrid of beetle and metal. Result, steel scarab. Let's combine eagle with tornado. Combining wolf with blizzard. Result, frostfang. Combining bear with volcano. Result, magma beast. Let's combine crocodile with swamp. Result, swamp tooth. Rhino plus earthquake. Result, Quaker horn. What if we combine tiger with tsunami? Result, Tsunatiger. Hybrid of cheetah with sandstorm. Result, sand cheetah.